You cannot open a QBB file. It is a backup. You must use the Restore Company feature inside QuickBooks to unpack it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let me show you that menu option. My experience tells me that some QBB files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. The primary container for this data is marked as a QBB, which is classified as backup file. The design foundation relies solely on the QuickBooks Backup File type. The QBB file type is a proprietary QuickBooks Backup File. Its purpose is to create a compressed archive copy of a user's entire QuickBooks financial data file, including all transactional data, lists, and templates for safe storage and recovery. Developed and maintained by Intuit for its QuickBooks accounting software. The design rules involve compressing the main data file and its associated files into a proprietary archive format that can only be reliably restored using the QuickBooks application itself. Intuit, Inc. endorses Intuit QuickBooks Pro as the main tool for handling QBB files. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows doesn't open backup repositories directly, so appropriate backup software must be used. Time to test installed programs. Right-click the QBB file and hit Open With. Launch it using Intuit QuickBooks Pro if possible. If that option is absent, choose any other application from the displayed list. If the QBB file won't budge, stay calm. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, restore from within QuickBooks. Open QuickBooks. Go to File. Open a Restore Company. Select Restore a Backup Copy and navigate to the .qbb file. Next, check File Permissions. Ensure your user account has full read-write permissions to the folder containing the QBB file and that the file is not set to read only. Finally, use Backup Converter. Use the QuickBooks Backup Converter tool, if available, or a third-party utility to extract the contents or convert the file to a standard QBW file. When compatibility tests fail, upgrading your tools is required. The specialized opener is the only reliable option left to try for the QBB file. FileMagick focuses on results. Its technology allows it to bypass file signature and extension checks to instantly reveal the QBB content. That's true value. Visit FileMagick.com now to download. That's the most efficient fix you'll find online. Your subscription helps fund the research needed for these detailed guides. Thank you for subscribing.